students, I'm Sugadhar and today we are going to discuss the questions of your chapter second of your history, and the name of chapter is Nationalist Movement in Indochina. And these all the questions have been divided into three parts, and let's discuss first part. So the first question is, what was the result of the peace negotiation in Geneva that followed the French defeat in Vietnam? The peace negotiation in Geneva that followed, in which Vietnamese were forced to accept the division of the country into North Vietnam and South Vietnam. Name the writer who wrote a play based on the lives of Trunk sister, and the name of that writer was Phan Boi Chau. They have a typical name. What were the two bases of colonial economy in Vietnam? The two bases were called real economy in Vietnam, where rice cultivation and rubber plantation were being done. Who were called colons? French people who were dwelling in Vietnam were called colons. And what was the main aim of Scholars' Revolt of 1868? The main aim was to oppose the spread of Catholicism and to uproot the French power. Name the writer who wrote a play based on these lives of Trevang sisters, and here the name of the writer was Phan Boi Chau. What was the main aim to establish Tonkin Free School in Vietnam? The main aim was to adopt the Western styles, Western culture especially. Name the writer who wrote the book History of Loss of Vietnam. The name of the writer was Phan Boi Chau. Now we will see short answer questions which carry 3 marks. How did the nationalism emerge in Vietnam? Through the efforts of different sections of society to fight against the French. Analyze nationalism. There were many ways. First of all, many religious movements from the 18th century were hostile to Western. An early movement against French control and spread Christianity was the Scholar Revolt of 1688, जो जिसको लेड करा था ऑफिशियल्स ऑफ इम्पेरियल कोर्ट ने. 19th century में क्या हुआ? The resistance to French domination was led by Chu Train, an eminent nationalist. He was the major figure in anti-colonial resistance from revolutionary society. Another revolutionary was Phan Chu Trinh, who was hostile to monarchy and opposed the idea of resisting the French with the help of the court. His desire was to establish a democratic republic. Goist movement was a movement which became popular in 20th century, and main objective was to overthrow the puppet emperor and re-establish Nguyen dynasty, which was the indigenous dynasty of the Vietnam. And these nationalists wanted foreign help and arms and appealed Japanese as fellow Asians. Development in China inspired the Vietnamese. China became a republic in 1911. Inspired by this, the Vietnam organized the Association for Restoration of Vietnam. ये फाउंड करा था वियतनामी स्टूडेंट ने. हमने पहले भी देखा कि बेसिकली जो नेशनलिज्म का आइडिया या जो भी रेवोल्यूशन हो, जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, मिडिल क्लास होते हैं, उन वो ज़्यादा करते, तो यहाँ पे भी वही हुआ. The Ho Chi Minh Trail became advantage to Vietnamese in the war against US support. हो ची मिन एक ट्रेल था जिसको बनाया था हो ची मिन ने स्पेशली, और बहुत सारे वियतनाम के लोगों ने. हम देखेंगे क्या एडवांटेजेस थे. Immense network of footpaths and roads which moved through Laos and Cambodia. That is from north to south. Most of the trail was outside neighboring Laos and Cambodia, with branch extending to South Vietnam. They were support bases and hospitals थे उसके, जो मेडिकल सर्विसेज सब कुछ वहाँ पे मिल जाता था. ये ट्रेल बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा था. अलॉन्ग द ट्रेल सप्लाईज मिलते थे. ट्रांसपोर्ट इन ट्रक्स एंड सम पार्ट स्पॉटर्स मेनली वीमेन कैरिड द कार्गो ऑन देयर बैग्स और बाइसिकल्स. लेकिन क्या होता था कि यूएस जो है रेगुलरली इस पर बॉम्बार्ड करता था उसको ख़त्म करने के लिए, लेकिन ये लोग क्या करते थे, रातों रात फिर इसको रिपेयर कर लेते थे. French tried to solve educational problems in Vietnam in different ways. Support है. The French tried to solve the educational problems in Vietnam in different ways. Some of the ways are the French dismantled the traditional education system को उन्होंने ख़त्म किया और फ्रेंच स्कूल को इस्टेब्लिश करा, और उन्होंने अपने आप को ग्लोरीफाई करा और जस्टिफाई करा. मतलब एक तरह से उन्होंने माइंडसेट क्रिएट करा कि जो फ्रेंच पीपल हैं वो बेटर हैं. लेकिन ये क्या होता था कि हर स्टूडेंट या टीचर जो है ब्लाइंडली उसको फॉलो नहीं करते थे. द फ्रेंच नीडेड एडुकेटेड लेबर फोर्स बट दे फियर द एजुकेशन वुड वंस एडुकेटेड द वियतनाम वुड क्वेश्चन द कॉलोनी. तो ये भी था कि वो लोग जो है उनको पढ़ाना भी नहीं चाहते थे. अगर वो पढ़ लेंगे तो फिर वो क्वेश्चन करेंगे उनके आइडियाज़ पे. फ्रेंच ओपन स्कूल लाइक टॉकिन फ्री स्कूल टू स्प्रेड वेस्टर्न, और ये क्या करते हैं, वेस्टर्न स्टाइल एजुकेशन को इम्बाइब कराना चाहते थे बच्चों में. और इसमें सब्जेक्ट थे साइंस, हाइजीन, फ्रेंच, और जो भी थे ये ज़्यादातर मतलब जो सब्जेक्ट थे वो फ्रेंच जो थे उनके फेवर के थे, और जो भी उनका मटीरियल था. अब हम देखेंगे लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. यूएस एंट्री इनटू द वॉर इन वियतनाम मार्क्ड अ न्यू फेज दैट प्रूव कॉस्टली टू वियतनाम एज वेल एज टू अमेरिकन एनालाइज. द यूएस एंट्री इन वियतनाम मार्क्ड अ न्यू फेज टू प्रूव कॉस्टली टू वियतनाम एज वेल एज. स्टेटमेंट क्या हुआ, फ्रॉम 1965 टू 1972. ओवर 34 lakh United States services personnel served in Vietnam. Even though United States had advanced technology in medical supply, casualties जो लोगों की डेथ थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा हाई थी. 47,000 डाइड हो गए थे बैटल में, और बहुत ज़्यादा जो थे वो डिसेबल्ड हो गए थे. थाउजेंड ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट ट्रूप जो थे जो हेवी वेपन्स के साथ आए थे, एंड बैग में पावरफुल बॉम्ब. द वाइड स्प्रेड यूज ऑफ केमिकल नापाम, ऑरेंज एजेंट एंड फॉस्फोरस बॉम्ब्स डिस्ट्रॉयड मेनी विलेज एंड जंगल. सिविलियन डाइड इन, बहुत ज़्यादा सिविलियंस वहाँ के मर गए. वॉर वॉज फेल्ड विद यूनाइटेड स्टेट एज वेल. मैनी वेयर अगेंस्ट द वॉर एंड क्रिटिकल. लेकिन जो लोग, कुछ लोग थे वो मतलब यूनाइटेड स्टेट की गवर्नमेंट को या उनके एक्शन को ही कंडेम करते थे जो वहीं के थे. Language Spring United, when youth were recruited for the war, compulsory service in the armed forces would be waived for mean that those American who were sent to fight the war did not belong to Peri but were minority children working. अब क्या होता था कि जो मतलब फोर्सिबली जो है यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के जो बच्चे होते थे उनको फोर्सिबली भेजा जाता था वॉर में, वॉर अगेंस्ट वियतनाम में. The United States media and film played a major role in criticizing the war. जैसे जॉन फॉर्ड कोपोला's Apocalypse now showed the moral confusion that the war had caused in the United States. मतलब यहाँ के अपने ही लोग कंडेम करते थे कुछ लोग. अब देखेंगे क्वेश्चन 13. द पीस नेगोशिएशन जेनेवा फॉलोड द डिवीजन ऑफ वियतनाम दैट सेट इन मोशन अ सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट दैट टर्न वियतनाम इनटू बैटलफील्ड. द पीस नेगोशिएशन जेनेवा फॉलोड द डिवीजन ऑफ वियतनाम नॉर्थ एंड साउथ वियतनाम दैट्स इन अ मोशन सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट दैट टर्न वियतनाम इनटू बैटलफील्ड. दिस स्टेटमेंट कैन बी analyze. अब देखेंगे एट द जिनेवा कन्वेंशन हेल्ड इन 1954 द डिफीट ऑफ फ्रांस विद वियतनामीज वेर परसुएडेड टू एक्सेप्ट द डिवीजन ऑफ वियतनाम इनटू नॉर्थ एंड साउथ वियतनाम. द डिवीजन गेव बर्थ टू अ सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट दैट टर्न वियतनाम इनटू बैटलफील्ड ऑफ डेथ एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन. नॉर्थ वियतनाम जो था वो लेड बाई हो ची मिन एंड द कम्युनिस्ट वेयर साउथ वियतनाम वाज अंडर बाओ डाई हु वाज ओवरथ्रोन बाई कूप लेड बाई Go Din Dim. Dim built a repressive and authoritarian government. Anyone opposing the regime was called a communist and was put into jail and killed. Dim retained a French law ordinance that permitted Christianity but outlawed Buddhism. His dictatorial rule was opposed and the people united under the banner of National Liberation Front. With the support of Ho Chi Minh, the NLF fought for the unification of the country. The US government feared the alliance. It was worried about the communists gaining power, decided to intervene, sending in troops and arms. तो इनको fear होने लगा कि कम्युनिस्ट जो है पावर गेन कर रहा है, तो फिर से ये अपने आर्म्स को और ट्रूप्स को वहाँ भेजने लगे. Women were represented warriors as well as workers in Vietnam and allies. Women played an important role as warriors during their struggle. During the anti-imperialist struggle against US, women, whether young or old, played an important role. They were brave fighters. They formed women militia and shot down fighters fleeing. Stories have shown women as dedicated workers. They had rifle in one hand and hammer in another. Nguyen Thi Xuan was reported to have shot down a jet with just 20 bullets. तो वीमेन जो थी वो भी बहुत ग्लोरीफाई हुई क्योंकि उन्होंने भी बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करी थी अपने वियतनाम को लिबरेट कराने के लिए. Besides being warrior, women manage other work. They help in nursing the wounded and constructing underground rooms and tunnels and fighting the enemy. The women volunteers protected 2,195 kilometers Ho Chi Minh Long Trail, had guarded 2,500 key points. They built 6 airstrips, neutralized 10 of thousands of bombs, transported cargoes, weapons and food, and shot down 50 planes. There were about 1.5 women in regular army, militia, local forces and professional teams. Now we will see very short answer question which carry 1 mark only. How was the maritime Silk Road useful? For the maritime Silk Road useful as it brought goods, people or new ideas. What is the meaning of concentration camp? Concentration camp were the prisons where people were detained without due process of law. In this camp, prisoners were tortured and given brutal treatment. Why were Gay and Hart in provinces called the electrical fuses of Vietnam? These two provinces were called electrical because being beside being the poorest, these provinces were the first to blow when the system was under pressure. Now we will see short questions which carry 3 marks. Describe the major protests that erupted in Saigon Native Girls School in 1926 in Vietnam. School में क्या हुआ था कि a Vietnamese girl sitting on the front seat was asked to move the back seat of the class and give her front seat to a local French. तो ये क्या था, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेजुडाइज होता था लोकल मतलब फ्रेंच स्टूडेंट को और इनके जो वियतनामीज मतलब स्टूडेंट थे उनको. तो उस लड़की ने रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया. द फ्रेंच प्रिंसिपल एक्सपेल्ड द गर्ल एंड अदर स्टूडेंट हु सपोर्टेड. दिस लेड टू प्रोटेस्ट वेर मेनी एंग्री. द वाइड स्प्रेड प्रोटेस्ट कंपेयर स्कूल अथॉरिटी टू टेक बैक ऑल द स्टूडेंट टू स्कूल. तो उसकी वजह से फिर क्या हुआ कि जितने बच्चे थे सब स्कूल में वापस आ गए. How did Paul Bernard argue in favor of economic development? Explain. Paul Bernard, an influential writer and politician, argued in the favor of economic development of Vietnam. According to him, the economy of the colony needed to be developed. The purpose of acquiring colonies was to make profits. If the economy of the colony was developed and the standard of living people improved, they would buy more goods and leading to more profits. The market would expand, leading to better profits for French business. Now, last question of this part, question 20. How was the educational policy unfavorable to Vietnamese students during the colonial? Explain. During the colonial, the educational policies were unfavorable in the following. The Tonkin preschool was started in 1907 to provide Western style education including science, hygiene, and French. It encouraged Western style like having short haircuts. It was against Vietnamese culture as it traditionally kept long hair. A school textbook glorified the French and justified colonial rule that was unacceptable to Vietnamese, and the Vietnamese were represented as primitive and backward and capable only of manual labor. मतलब एक तरह से ये माइंडसेट बनाते थे पब्लिक ओपिनियन लोगों का और बच्चों का कि जो वियतनामीज़ हैं, जो वहाँ के पीपल हैं, वो लोग बैकवर्ड हैं, और जो फ्रेंच जो कॉलोनियल पावर है वो उनसे स्ट्रॉन्ग है. थैंक यू.